Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I cover oily skin, hooded eyes, and beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a summer eyeshadow look for hooded eyes, and I'm going to be using the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so let's get started. So far, I've only done my eyebrows. I just kind of wanted to get that out of the way, and next I'm going to be priming my eyelids, and it's going to be the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Anti-Aging. So normally I set my eyeshadow primer, but I don't think I'm going to be setting it this time around because I am going to be using some eyeliner as the base of my eyeshadow, and I just think if I set it, it's not going to blend like I want it to. I actually already know that it's not going to work out well if I set my primer because I've already filmed this and I messed it up. So now I'm not going to set it, and the only reason why I'm saying that is because you're going to see that the brushes I'm going to be using already have the eyeshadows on it. So anyway, so here are the colors I'm going to be using for today's look. So I'm going to be using this yellow shade called Wow, this tan shade called Cone, and this brown shade called Tasty. As you guys know, I've been really into the wing shadow look lately, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to be starting off with my eye pencil. It's the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Whiskey. I'm going to be using that as the base of my brown shadow to create that wing. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to be keeping my eyes open as I create that wing because I just want to make sure that when my eyes are open, you'll be able to see that wing. I'm not worried about it being perfect right now because after I create the eye look, I'm gonna go back and clean this up. I just really wanna make sure that I make this dark, and I wanna make sure that I'm really getting the point where I want it to be. I'm also going to line the lashes. And I'm gonna stop to where my iris starts because that's where I'm gonna be placing the yellow. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect because I am going to be smudging this out. I'm also going to be just putting this all over the outer thirds. All right, so now I'm just going to be smudging this out with a flat eyeshadow brush. Let's just go ahead and put on some more. Let's just deepen this up. Here's how that's looking so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other side. Okay, so I know that this looks a little bit crazy, but I promise you at the end, this is gonna look amazing. So let's go ahead and put that brown eyeshadow on top of this liner. So I'm actually gonna be using the exact same type of brush that I used to smudge out the eyeliner. I just wanna make sure that it's clean so that way nothing is looking muddy. Now let's pack that brown on top of that liner. Now I know I still need to clean this up, but just look at how much better this looks with that brown liner underneath. It just makes this brown eyeshadow look so much deeper and richer. And right now I'm not worrying about blending, I'm just packing on that color. Okay, now I'm going to place it on this eye as well. And even though I'm only blending the eyeshadow, I'm still making sure that my eyes are open because I really want you guys to see the eyeshadow on my lids when my eyes are open and not just closed. All right, now I'm gonna be going into that Cone shade right here. It's that tan color. And I'm gonna be just blending that brown out right here using the exact same brush. It's just a clean version, also a different brand, but it's just a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to be blending these out. And right now I'm just going to be packing it on. I will worry about blending in just a minute. I just wanna make sure that we get that pigment. I want this blending to be super seamless. Now I'm just gonna get a clean blending brush and just go over this. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the side. Now time for the star of the show, the yellow eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M431 brush. Of course, there's already yellow on it because I've already filmed this. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna be packing this on first, like always, and then I will worry about blending. I absolutely love this pop of color. I feel like if you're a person that only plays around with neutrals and you want to play around with color, this is a perfect way. All you have to do is just put in that pop of color just to kind of get your foot in the door, kind of get used to it. And then once you see it's not so scary, you can just keep playing around with it. I'm just gonna put it on this side really quick. I am loving this look so much already, and I know I look crazy, but let me go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back to finish this up. Alrighty, so here I am with the rest of my makeup, and if you are curious with what's on my face, I will link everything in the description box below. Let's go ahead and finish up this eye look. So I'm basically gonna be mimicking everything I did up on the top, just with smaller brushes. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my eyeliner, just like how I did on the top. I'm only gonna be lining my lashes, and then I'll be smudging it out, and then of course, placing brown eyeshadow on top of it. Well, I accidentally got this in my waterline, so might as well just continue. I'm gonna put it in the rest of my waterline. Now I'm just going to be smudging this eyeliner out with my precision blending brush from Luxie. Now I'm barely gonna be tapping this brush into the brown shadow and just set that liner. Now I'm gonna do it to the other side. I'm gonna grab this little itty bitty brush and then just place that tan color right in between the yellow and the brown, just so that way there's this seamless blending. Now I'm just gonna be adding some yellow down here at the bottom. Now the other side. All right, so the eyeshadow is all complete. Now I'm just gonna be putting on my mascara and maybe some false lashes. Let me go ahead and do that off camera because I am kind of slow at mascara. So I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with the rest of my makeup, and here is what the final look is looking like. I hope you guys are loving this just as much as I do, and I had a lot of fun creating this look. I think it's so beautiful. I love the inner corner pop of color. I think it's really subtle, but still just so beautiful. So if you guys do decide to recreate this look and post this on Instagram, I don't know, maybe you can tag me. Here is my Instagram handle right here. So definitely do that if you guys want to. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I do upload every Wednesday and Saturday at noon Central Time, so keep an eye out for that. Bye.